Hello, Nurse Gina here. Today we want to show you how our newest division, the Germ Buster System, works. Gary Szymanski from Nash Everett and myself are the owner-operators of the Germ Buster System. The Germ Buster System kills germs. Schools, hospitals, gyms, there's germs all the time, and these places are cleaned on a daily basis. However, how clean are they really? We will show you how dirty the facility is. Then we're going to use our Germ Buster system, and then we're going to come back and we're going to monitor and show you how effective the system is. Germ Buster system actually a spray that utilizes a technology that gets in there and cleans the whole surface underneath, because when you're spraying, the spray comes out, it hits the object, and then it surrounds the object. And we'll show you that in our demonstration.